Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sports package. We do also have over £2,000 worth of optional extras. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sports brake calipers. The bluestone metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black grills and performance kits, including the front splitter. And there's a look at the front end. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top, and we do also have the eDrive pattern just here on the sides. We have the rear spoiler in gloss black, just there on the tailgate. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. And round to the rear, you find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. Now if you just open up the boot, so you can press this button on the remote and it will open it just like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space that goes quite far back. We also got the charger just there. We have a handle underneath here so we can pull the boot back closed with ease. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior now. So inside of the back first, you find the full leather interior. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. We have the same full leather interior for the front. Both front seats are electrically adjustable and also both heated. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting on the doors, and we also have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down there, the automatic wipers. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel. Now if you just take a seat inside, then you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will turn on. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control just here on the left hand side. And as you can see, we're also free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Now if any of the screens, all lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat-nav, we also have the shortcuts down here, so if you click onto the media, then the radio stations will appear just there. We also have other options such as the CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and the USB. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Going on to the main menu, if you go to My Vehicle, go into the settings, this is where you find the lights for the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours which you can choose from just here. We do also have the intelligent safety system, press this button and you find it will appear just there, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there you find the dual zone climate control, got the heated seats on either side and the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do as you can see. Got the automatic gearbox, put that into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera with the parking sensors, put it back into park. We do also have the storage space inside of there, the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Got the different drive modes just here, so the Eco Pro drive mode. We also have Comfort and Sport. Again, it will change the dashboard, so as you can see for different drive modes, it will change the look of the dashboard. We've got the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. We also have the leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard just here in front of us, which can show with different displays that you've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, very comfortable seats. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also electrically adjustable, again adding to that comfort level, and they're also both heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. Now we do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle. We also have plenty of other features such as the ambient lighting. We have the main screen here in the centre currently showing the sat-nav, again packed full of features that you've seen on the photos. And below there we have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive, and we also have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cooled air conditioning. Now we're about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass. We do also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes in this vehicle. We're making the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reversing camera appear on the screen along with the parking sensors, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.